A little bit. Some mid-century modern goodness. It's a nice little walk. Pretty. Free air show too. Palm Springsy, I like it. Ooh, I spy. Classic vehicles. Nice. See some goodies. Ooh, this house on the corner is pretty. It's a nice one too. That looks so good. Another pretty one. This one's a stunner too. Breeze blocks. We love breeze blocks. And another stunner. All right, took a nice little walk. I'm over here getting Halston. I'm gonna uncover him. I gotta say, Halston's been here all night. Pretty sure we haven't fired him up since I was over in the morning yesterday. Pumped the pedal twice, hit the key like a champ. Halston's a little lazy. He's cold right now though. I mean, I just picked him up, so driving back over to the shop. All right, back here at the shop with Halston. In the morning we'll do our flush and all that. So we're gonna get some cars moved around here, things figured out, get everything ready